items into the basket. Cheese. Correct. Olive oil. Perfect. Halfway through. Tomatoes. Well done. Basil. Right. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. It's time to make some pizza. Tear off all the leaves. Let's cut it good. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now